In how many days a leaf naturally fall down from plant? A. 4 days. B. 5 days. C. 7 days. D. 9 days. Answer option C. 7 days. How many countries are there in the world? A. 193. B. 195. C. 205. D. 208. Answer option B. 195 countries. Which is the national bird of Kuwait? A. Hawk. B. Vulture. C. Saker falcon. D. Eagle. Answer option C. Saker falcon. Where was chess first invented? A. Canada. B. USA. C. China. D. India. Answer option D. India. Polar bear is the national animal of which country? A. Greenland. B. England. C. Iceland. D. Thailand. Answer option A. Greenland. How many countries are there in the Asian continent? A. 51. B. 58. C. 48. D. 35. Answer option C. 48. Ice hockey is the national sport of which country? A. Russia. B. Venezuela. C. Iceland. D. Canada. Option D is the answer. Which is the biggest lagoon of Asia? A. Chilika Lake. B. Baikal Lake. C. Urmia Lake. D. Tai Lake. Answer A. Chilika Lake. Chess was invented during which empire? A. Ganga Empire. B. Mauryan Empire. C. Gupta Empire. D. Mughal Empire. Answer A. Ganga Empire. What is the shortcut key for replace text in MS Word? A. Ctrl plus R. B. Ctrl plus H. C. Ctrl plus F. D. Ctrl plus G. Answer option B. Ctrl plus H. What is the currency of Vietnam? A. Vietnamese dollar. B. Vietnamese yuan. C. Vietnamese rupee. D. Vietnamese dong. Answer option D. Vietnamese dong. How many countries are there in Africa? A. 48. B. 54. C. 51. D. 45. Answer option B. 54. What is the real color of sun? A. Yellow. B. Orange. C. White. D. Red. Answer option C. White. World's last road is situated in which country? A. Norway. B. Brazil. C. Cuba. D. USA. Answer option A. Norway. UNESCO was organized in which year? A. 1946. B. 1945. C. 1919. D. 1921. Answer option B. 1945. Name the plant which eat insects. A. Money plant. B. Cactus. C. Hyperion. D. Monkey cup. Answer option D. Monkey cup. Suriname is situated in which continent? A. North America. B. Antarctica. C. South America. D. Europe. Answer option C. South America. Kabaddi is the national sport of which country? A. India. B. Bangladesh. C. Indonesia. D. Nepal. Answer option B, Bangladesh. Train was invented in which year? A. 1804. B. 1789. C. 1800. D. 1807. Answer option A, 1804. Which was the first Hindi movie? A. Alam Ara. B. Raja Harishchandra. C. Kishan Kanya. D. None of these. Answer option B, Raja Harishchandra. Which was the first Hindi movie in color? A. Alam Ara. B. Raja Harishchandra. C. Kishan Kanya. D. None of these. Answer option C, Kishan Kanya. Cuba is situated in which continent? A. North America. B. Antarctica. C. South America. D. Africa. Answer option A, North America. What was the first metal discovered by man? A. Aluminium. B. Gold. C. Iron. D. Copper. Answer option A, Aluminium. World's tallest statue located in which country? A. USA. B. China. C. UK. D. India. Answer option D, India. White snakes are found in which country? A. Australia. B. Brazil. C. Sudan. D. None of these. Answer option A, Australia. Thanks for watching.